Because of today's advertising world, it's often easier to pick up a very expensive product because you've been convinced that you need it. However, some everyday items you probably have lying around the house are very inexpensive and work just as well as the costly ones. There's one way to save many dollars: using household items as cleaning products. So here are a few ones to consider. Air freshener. Place a bowl of vinegar in the kitchen or bathroom to absorb odors. Drains. For a great once-a-month drain cleaner, pour a half cup of baking soda into the drain, follow with a half cup of white vinegar. It'll start to foam. Cover and then let sit for 30 minutes and then flush with cool water. For stubborn or slow-running drains, pour 1 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of salt down the drain. Follow this with 2 quarts of boiling water. Let sit for 30 minutes and then flush with cool water. Tile countertops. To clean ceramic tile, where mold and mildew accumulate, use a combination of a 1/4 cup of baking soda, a half cup of white vinegar, a gallon of warm water, and a cup of ammonia. Alternatively, regularly clean kitchen surfaces by using a spray bottle mixed with a half cup of vinegar and a quart of water. Glass cleaner. When glass cleaning products leave residue on bathroom mirrors, mix a half cup of vinegar with a quart of water in a clean plastic spray bottle. Spray the glass and wipe clean with a paper towel. Dishwasher. Empty the dishwasher, pour in a 1/4 cup of vinegar and run the dishwasher again. Even if you prefer not to use the dishwasher, run at least once a week to keep seals from becoming hard and cracked. Refrigerators. Clean regularly with soap and water. Place a cup of baking soda in a bowl on a refrigerator shelf to absorb odors. A cup of dry, unused coffee grinds can also absorb odors when placed on a refrigerator shelf. Washing machine. A half cup of baking soda can be added to the washing machine with regular detergent to help with mild odors. Toilets. Remove waterline marks in the toilet bowl by pouring in 2 cups of white vinegar. Let soak overnight, then flush to rinse. If this doesn't work, rub the waterline mark with a wet pumice stone. For help with carpet stains, vacuum the carpet if the stain is dry. If the stain is still wet, blot gently to remove the excess. Blot, do not rub. Lightly soak the carpet stain with clean water first to remove the stain, and then blot again. Do not rub. If the stain still remains, mix 3 tablespoons of vinegar with a quart of water in a spray bottle and spray the stain. Blot again and do not rub. If this fails, consult a professional carpet cleaner immediately. The longer you wait may mean the stain may not come out. Now, there are many more ways to use these home products and economize all year round. Many of them you can find in bulk at even bigger cost savings. So, search the internet for more tips on using simpler products. Then, use them and save your money for more enjoyable activities.